Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. It's Judy again with another amazing video. Okay? Yes, so how are you guys? Kindly, if you're new here, karibu sana, and don't forget to subscribe. Kindly make sure you subscribe. Returning viewers, thank you very much guys. I appreciate so much. And I appreciate for your feedback, for those who have been coming back to me saying thank you and telling me I have been watching you on YouTube. You inspire me about this business. Thank you very much guys. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe guys. Let's keep subscribing and learning about Mtumba. Okay? Yes, so how are you? How have you been? How is business? How is Mtumba taking you? Have you been making any returns, profits, ama umelemewa somehow? Yeah, so tell me down there in the comment section how you've been, and don't also forget to give this video a like. Okay, share, make sure you share with your friends. And ladies and even men, don't stay in the house thinking there's no money out there. With even 1,000 shillings you can start this hustle. Okay, yes, so guys, just from work, from delivery, just got home. And yes, I decided to do a video. Someone asked me, how much should a bale give you? After buying a bale around 25,000, because that's what I know. If you want to get a good bale, maybe it's from 20, a baby romper, heavy cotton, onesie. For me, what I can tell you, a good bale, there are many bales and different prices, but for me, I get bales from 25,000. Of course, there are bales mpaka 33,000, but what I have been dealing with is 25,000, 24 and 25, and I got one for 30. And it's because mostly me, I deal with baby clothes, purely baby clothes from 0 to around 3 years. I don't do maybe if it's t-shirts and all that, I do 5 years. I don't go past 5 years because that's what my clients want. Okay, so there's someone who we even talked on the phone. She asked me, Judy, I bought a bill. Can you kindly tell me how much I should get? Nikamuliza, how much did you buy the bill? She told me 25, of which is nice because there are bills that cost even 15,000, 12,000. And guys, if you have ever bought such, tell me how it is. Someone bought it and she got very disappointed, and it was curtains or something. Okay, she thought it's baby clothes. Okay, yes. Ebu tell me guys, am I clear ama kuna giza? Okay, so here is what I'm going to tell you. If you bought a bill worth 25,000, okay, if you bought a bill worth 25,000, it should give you triple of that amount. So it's 25 times 3, and this is a bill with 350 to 400 pieces. Okay, so that bill is supposed to give you around 75,000. The least it should give you is around 60, 55. The least amount, that's what you should get. Okay, now this is what you do when you get a bill. When you open your bill first, okay, when you open your bill first, you choose camera. Okay, the best clothes camera, zile kali, the ones you see they're like new, mtu atanaweza vaa akienda church, you know, ukienda kutembelea watu. Camera the best. Like for me, my babies don't wear new clothes, they do camera, Mtumba. Okay, so those clothes you put them aside and you price them. Those clothes you can even sell them at 500. Okay, and with camera you're supposed to have your bill. Inafaa kukurudishia pesa yenye ulibai nayo bill, because camera is around 200 pieces, or if you go less, 150 pieces camera pure. Okay, and you should not go less than 300 if it's camera. Okay, I'm talking about jackets, trousers and all that. Okay, second, unaangalia zenye they have just a stain or a small tear. Okay, if they have a small tear, you can take it to the fundi and the fundi will make it for you. Okay, so guys, hiyo ni ya pili. Okay, first we have said camera, which you can sell at around between 500 300 to 500. Okay, and also you can go up according to the nguo venye inakaa. If it's so beautiful, it's so smart, you can even price it at 600. Okay, two, the ones with small stain, small tears, where you can take to fundi and all that. Okay, those ones, there are some you can even wash with. If it's just a small stain, try and use what do you call them, lime. Zinaitwaje? What's the lime? Oh god, where am I? Ndimu. Okay, yes, you can wash them with that hot water na ndimu. Okay, and that stain will go away. Okay, those, there are stains that can go away, and the way you know that stain will go away, you see, like this is my top. Sindio? If the stain you can't see it on the other side, okay, or it's not that big, that one you can remove it with the with what? With the lime. Okay, yes, and that one you can sell even 300 to 50. Yes, and all that. Then there is that others that have stain, but also you can wash them. Then zinakaa zimezeeka kidogo, zimezeeka. You can also sell them at 150, 200 to 50. Yes, that price. Okay, then there is another one. Before we get to fagia, zenye unaweza uza hata 70, 100, 120 and all that. Mtumba, you can price your clothes according to the way you want, venye unaona na ujue itarudisha pesa. Okay, make sure inarudisha do, si ati uze tu atirudishe pesa yenye umeuza umenunua bale. No, it's supposed to give you triple amount of what you bought. Okay, so it's, tumesema if it's 25, it's supposed to give you 75,000. All right, yes. So then kuna hizo nimekwambia, like zinakaa zimezeeka, you can sell them at 120. So yes, then there's fagia. Okay, fagia, you can sell them at 30 bob. Don't, make sure your bale is completely over, umeuza everything. Okay, so that's how, for me, that's how I price my clothes. Kuna fagia ya 30, kuna fagia ya 20, kuna zenye unaangalia 50 bob, 60 bob. Yes, like that. Okay, now when you do your math, and don't sell useme nimeuza 20k leo, acha nichukue kadhao leo, I do this and this. No, make sure you keep that money. For me, what I did first, I opened a till with the equity. Okay, so I don't touch the cash. Okay, sorry, I don't touch the cash. Everyone who buys, I tell them, send to this till, my till now. Okay, so that I can keep records and I know bill yangu isharudi. Yes, if I don't have a shop, the rest, okay, it's the profit, because if I don't have a shop, I'm not paying rent. Okay, I'm just going to return the bill. Maybe I can decide to get 2 bales. Okay, because 2 bales, maybe it's 50, then I remain with 25, which is my pure profit in my account. Nothing sijaguza, because you see, vitu za nyumba, maybe I had done them before, so I'm not touching that 25,000 because nimeamua kurudisha 2 bales. Okay, so make sure you are accountable of your money. Open that till, tell people to pay via that till, because you know the moment you start using that, for me, what I did, because I want maybe in the future I start selling bales. That's you never know, I can start selling bales because I source for people and I haven't had any complaint with the people I have sourced for. Okay, so be accountable, keep records, and to be able to track your money, do that till. Okay, so that you can see, I sold this and this and this, at the end of the day I have this amount. With the camera I sold 25,000, 30,000 and all that. Sorry. Okay, yes, so keep records. learn how to keep records. Okay, track your money. Okay, hata kama unatumia, make sure ile ya kurudisha bill haujatumia kwanza, so that you can get another bill. Even you can also do this when you get hiyo pesa ya bill ikitosha. Okay, when you get enough money for the bill, yani ikirudi, go get another bill, keep it in the house. Okay, so that ukijua, oh, the first bill imerudisha na ndio imebuy this bill. Okay, so the rest of the money, if you're selling from the house, the rest of the money, you know that's the profit. Okay, and now you can start doing your things. Okay, planning 1 2 3 things. Okay, you can even do shopping, you can pay your house rent, unaweza saidia hubby to do this and this. Okay, yes, so that's what you do. Keep track of your money, guys, please, so that you can keep you can plan, you can see if the bill is doing the returns well. Okay, yes, so for me, I did the till, and the reason why I did that, I wanted to keep records, because it's difficult to say if nimeuza this top this amount, because it's bill. You can't even say I bought this one at this price. Okay, the best thing is ikifika 25, know your bill is back, imerudi, so the rest of the amount is the is what is the profit. Okay, yes, so that's number 2. We have said your bill first. We have said your bill is supposed to give you triple amount of the money that you bought, initial capital that ulieka kwa ile bill. Okay, so it's supposed to give you triple of that amount. If it's less, it's supposed to be maybe 50 to 60,000. Okay, and number 2, we have said how to grade your clothes. We have said about camera, the clothes with small stains and small tears, where you can wash them with the lime, you can take to the fundi to mend for you. And then there are those they have big stains, but still you can sell them, za watoto wa kucheza huko nje and all that. Okay, then there are those others that they look zimezeeka, a bit old, zimetumika sana. Okay, those ones we have said you can sell them at 100, 120 and all that. Okay, and then there's fagia you can sell them at 30 bob, 50 bob, 40 bob, 20 bob. Make sure your bill is over completely. Everything is sold, completely. Even if it's 20 bob, that fagia, sell it at 20 bob. Okay, so that your money you can be able to see, you can gauge yourself, you can gauge your initial capital yenye ulieka kwa hii biz imekurudisha how much. Okay, even watu wa shop, when you wako na shop, you can do the same, because you need to pay rent. Maybe you need to do some to add more shelves, you need more hangers to hang your clothes and all that. Okay, so make sure your bill has given you triple amount of the money. If it's 25, it's supposed to give you 75,000. Okay, and know your market. Don't just buy a bill because Judy is selling. Do research of your market. Watu wanapata watoi, what age is there, how much people can afford to buy. Okay, you can't be in Kilimani and you're selling fagia there. I don't think that one can work. Okay, if you're in Kilimani, know how to price your clothes. Pipeline, know how to price your clothes. Githurai, the same. Like for me here in Muthaiga, mostly here, because if I'm doing I'm posting and I want to how do you call it? Nimepiga picha poa, nimepost, then nataka kupromote your ad. Okay, I promote around this area and I know these people how much they can afford to buy. Okay, so know your area, do your research well, know how to price your clothes according to the area. Okay, yes, and then guys, another tumesema, keep your records so that you can be able to know how much you have made, the profits. Okay, after your initial capital is back, now the rest is the capital, is the profit. Okay, and then guys, something else I need to tell you, make sure, okay, for me I do grade 1. Okay, and most of my clothes are from UK and Canada. Okay, so if your bill is, I don't know about the other countries, but mostly me, I do UK and Canada. Okay, those, they have the best. If it's heavy rompers, I do Poland. okay, because they have good things. Okay, so know your bale, know where you're going, it's from. Okay, don't just buy the bale. Don't go for the cheap one. Cheap is expensive. You can just buy that and keep it in the house. No one is buying because they look bad. Okay, everyone wants their baby to look good, to have something unique, because Mtumba is unique. Okay, and that's how and you keep your customer when they buy from you. I showed you guys how to pack baby clothes. Pack for them nicely. Okay, those customers will come back and they'll go telling other people about your biz, and that's how you increase your capital. Okay, so the main topic for today, guys, like I have said, make sure your bell imerudisha 3 times of the initial capital yenye ulieka. Okay, yes. So guys, I hope you have learned something. Okay, um I hope you have learned something about the bills, about pricing, about grading your baby clothes. Okay, in next video, I'm going to do something very unique tomorrow. Actually, I'm going to post it. I will do another video tomorrow about something. So you guys keep tuned. Okay, hit that notification bell so that you can know what next I'm going to say. Right? Yes, and guys, Aki, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share with your friends, your family. Just share. People, we need money. We need to learn with this economy. And you see how maandamano is taking us, guys. We need to make extra coin. Okay, and this extra coin is going to help us somewhere, right? Yeah, so guys, thank you very much for watching. I love you. Keep subscribing, keep that notification bell on so that every time I post about something, you learn. Okay, yes, thank you very much, guys. I love you. God bless. And like we said, don't forget to pray for your bees. Okay, yes, thank you, guys. I love you. See you soon.